Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an Aurasma so that way you can use it in your classroom. First thing you want to do is go to studio.aurasma.com. Once you go here, it's going to ask you to log in, and when you're logged in, you're going to see your featured Aurasmas or your featured auras here on your home screen. In the right hand corner you want to click on Create New Aura, and this is going to take you to your 3-step process to create your own. The first step is to upload your trigger. Trigger is the term that they use to describe the image that you're going to be printing out. Step 2 is to create your overlay. An overlay is the term they use to describe the video or the 3D image or the web page that anyone using the Aurasma app is going to see when they take a look at your image. And then the last step is where you can change the name of your Aurasma, and you can add hashtags. That way your students can find you a little bit easier if they're going on from the computer. So in order to start creating our aura, we are going to first need to upload our trigger image. And there's 2 options here. I can click on this first option and it's going to take me to my computer's library. This is where you would save your normal files to. The second option down here is going to take me to an online library. So Aurasma Studio offers this online library where you can upload a bunch of videos and pictures that you know you're going to use in the future, but you're just not going to make the auras right then and there. You can save them in the online studio. That way you can work on your auras from your work computer, your home computer, or wherever you're at. My images are on my computer, so I'm going to use this first option. When you click here, it's going to take you to this dialog box. You're just going to click on Browse over on the right. You want to select the image that you are using as your trigger and click Open and Save. If there's any issues with your picture, you'll actually see a dialog box pop up and it'll tell you exactly what's wrong with it, and hopefully you can go change it or find a different image and get a better one uploaded. I'm going to zoom out so that I can see my entire image, and I'm going to double check and make sure that this is the one I want. Since I'm not really changing any of these options down here, I'm going to go ahead and click Next, but I do encourage you to play around with those options once you get into your classroom. So now we're on step 2. We're going to create our overlay. Same thing. The top option is going to take me to my computer's library. The bottom option is going to take me to the online library. Since my video is in my computer, I'm going to click the top option and I'm going to open my video and click Save. Depending on how long your video is, this may take a few minutes or a few seconds. My video is pretty long, so I'm going to pause it here so you don't have to wait with me. Alright, the video is uploaded, and sometimes when you upload the video, they start off really tiny, so you kind of have to search for it. It's typically in the center of your image. If it is here, you're just going to go ahead and hover over the image until you see your diagonal bars, and you're going to click and drag that image out so that it's bigger. You can click and drag it to move it. You can position it where you'd like for it to be. So if I want my video to only play over the TSA logo, then I can move it there. If I want the video to take up the entire screen or the entire image, then I can go ahead and do that too. I have a few different ways to play around with this. Again, these options down here at the bottom, I'm not going to do anything with them right now, but again, feel free to take a look at them and see what they do when you get into your classroom. I'm going to go over to my overlay options and change the color of my outline for my video. And if I wanted to remove this, let's say I accidentally uploaded the wrong one, I can click on this X here and it'll take it away. I can change how my video enters into the app. It'll fade in. It can be initially hidden. And there are also some actions that can happen here. Again, click on this. It's very, very simple, If you need a little bit more help or guidance in this part, I'll gladly put another video up or just show you. Just let me know how I can help. So I've got my video up. I don't want to do anything else, so I'm going to click next. And I'm on step 3. So I can add my aura name. And I can add any hashtags. So I'm going to do hashtag ECJH, hashtag STEM, hashtag TSA, and of course, hashtag Miss O. And I'm going to preview. When I click on preview, it's going to automatically save it. And more importantly, it's going to show me these 3 steps, which I need to go through in order to double check and make sure that my aura is working properly before I share it with the world. This is where you're going to want to take out your cell phone or your iPad and open up your Aurasma app and point it to the screen. And if your overlay plays properly, then you're good to go. You're going to click on exit and share. And when you click the share button, it'll take you back to your auras and you'll see all of the auras that you created. Again, if you want to take a look at your aura or any aura, once you click on the picture down here with this little menu bar, it'll give you the option to go full screen. And when you go full screen, there's your image that you can use your Aurasma app on. Again, I'd be happy to create any other tutorials for you. I hope this helps. I hope you're able to use it in your classroom or maybe in your personal life. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for watching.